Today, we will show you how to replace your CIRQA Smart Band. For this process, you will need a clean workspace, your CIRQA wristband or accessory armband, and the module. In this video, we will transfer the module from a wristband to an armband. Begin by unlatching the wristband and remove it from your wrist. Now take your index finger and push forward on the strap loop while using your thumb to free the band. Next, we will release the module from the wristband. Using your fingernail, press inward on the spring bar pin. Slightly pull the band away from the module. Repeat these steps on the other side of the band. Next, we will attach the armband. Begin by aligning the spring bar with the hole on the CIRQA module. Compress the pin on the opposite side to slot it into place. Then, attach the band to the module. Repeat these steps on the other side. Finally, relatch the armband. Insert one side of the band through the band loop. Use your index finger to push the band and use your thumb to keep the band loop in place. Now you are ready to slide the band on. Pull or loosen the strap as needed through the adjustment ring for a snug and comfortable fit. Finally, fasten the end, ensuring it is aligned. Be sure to change your CIRQA Smart Band location in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. This can be done for each activity. And that's it! Thanks for watching. For more help, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.